Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix you must be an administrator running a console session in order to use the SFC utility. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as Administrator. Click Yes to continue. Now type SFC /scan now. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.